name is Patrick Karaoke, Director, Baraka Plots. And right here, we are at Baraka Paradise. These are gated community plots, 50 by 100, and it is just a short distance, a short drive from Kajiado Town and from the tarmac. And these are 50 by 100 plots with ready title deeds. As you can see, we have done the gating. We have also done a very nice fencing all around so that these plots are secure. They are nice trees. You can feel the breeze of this place. Water and electricity are nearby. The price is affordable, 495,000 only, and that includes the transfer for the title deed. Welcome and build your home at Baraka Paradise.
Nimejichanua na Baraka Plots. Jichanue pia.
Nimejichanua na Baraka Plots. Jichanue pia.
Jichanue pia na Baraka Plots.